Today I will be unboxing a D3300 1855 VR2 kit.
No.
Nikon camera.
Yeah.
Okay. This is the instruction booklet.
Awesome.
Ah. How the ball wrap? How the ball wrap?
Wow. It's a Nikon.
How much is that? Okay, I was recording like horizontal like this. That's bad. That's it. And then it charges. Wait, what? No, that's HDMI. I think.
This is the TV thing. This is the charger.
Awesome.
No,
That's HDMI.
this is the charger.
Awesome.
That's a big. Whoa.
Awesome.
Sorry.
Complimentary.
Is it already like charged?
I don't know. Maybe I'll charge it a little bit.
It's lighting up. It's blinking. Ah!
Oh, yeah, here's a lens cap.
Awesome.
You should print one. Alright, so you should print one.
I can print one, but I already have one, so I don't.
I want the bumper. Yeah.
Yeah, I guess I have more stuff to buy now. More accessories to buy. So that's unboxing the camera.
Sorry.
Thanks, guys.
Please, no paparazzis, no paparazzis, no. I just.
Like this.
La, it's still charging. Charging.
It's so dark.
Should I stop recording? Good job.
Oh, yeah.